Here, get up here.
Hold on, there's more coming.
Get in front of me so block the border patrol.
Holy shit.
Wow. Oh.
I'll advise that we can break off another one, copy.
Look at this, Kip. This is a big group.
Y luego van a dar para allá.
Yeah, 2 for 1. Yeah, I know.
No corran porque aquí nos están viendo. ¿Sí entienden? Hay unos de Brasil, todos de Guatemala. Caminen para allá.
Just hold on. He called 90. He doesn't make it so fix
Y luego denle para allá. Allá hay más.
Right? Just a couple. Well, you know what, guys? This is probably one of the larger groups that we've seen, at least in the last couple of days. So you just saw a few minutes ago, we loaded up 3 vans. This is what's coming in, guys. Do you realize how many people we've already captured tonight? 51 people before this. Within an hour and a half. Okay, this group here, without counting, yeah, I'll let you know for sure, Kip, what we got here. I knew we were going to be busy when I saw the spotter out. You guys aren't even going to believe this. We're starting to bring them in by small communities. Yes, Kelly, we're in the United States. This is just the second, actually the 4th group in less than 2 hours. Take a peek. Okay, so we've got a lot of people here. Obviously, our other 3 trucks for transportation are tied up. They're probably, I'm going to guess, maybe a half hour out for processing. But again, one of the things, yeah, we're going to get it, Kip. We're going to get it. They're just, nobody's they're really taking their time because of the vehicles being gone. We are just literally, it started kind of last night. You guys saw we ended up with 65 in about 4 hours. But keep in mind, okay, the bigger thing here, guys, is the children. We cannot check the children to see if they belong to their parents. And there's a lot of kids. The kids are the ticket. They're the thing that gets them in here. And when they get these court dates that are 5 to 7 years out, they can get married, they can get domiciled. There's all kinds of illegal immigration defenses. They've got a whole army of attorneys down here. They're going to get money when they leave here. They're going to end up actually getting health care. And if they need health care now, they get priority at the hospital. They get rushed in, and if they're with a BP agent, if you're waiting, you're going to get stepped back. This is the future of what I like to call the Democrat Party that's promoting socialism. That is why this is allowed to go on. That's why they keep calling Trump a liar. They don't want you to see the crisis at the border. They don't want you to see the invasion. That's why we're down here. That's why we're helping an overstrained border patrol. We're not catching everybody. We are not, like I said, these are distractions for other crimes. This is a war zone. It's a war on the border. And in the meantime, you're all just supposed to go to work and go to bed and ignore what's going on here. And, we're just one group of people. If you can help, get your butt down here. If you're military, ex-law enforcement, if you think you can contribute something, we do live in rough conditions down here, like I say, and we are up mostly, we get a couple hours of sleep on shifts because it's a constant, nonstop thing. And I try to get you guys as much video as I possibly can. Well, good. We got a transport truck here. Hey, Jennifer, how you doing? But they're not all going to fit in one truck. So, and then if you look over here, we still have that group from earlier. They're still waiting to be transported. Okay. And in the meantime, we're all off the border. So, there's just not enough people to watch the border. We need a wall. At least with a wall, it slows this down. It's pretty tough to get over the wall with little kids, and you still leave a response time. But we also need to reform our immigration. We need to end catch and release. We need to end a lot of these loopholes that they're advertising. The Mexican cartel is making a fortune off of these illegal immigrants, charging anywhere from $1,700 to $5,000 a person. Hey, Chris, long time no hear, my friend. You should come down here. But it's absolutely out of control. And then you've got the violent people that are trying to sneak in the criminals and stuff, and they're going in different ways. And so this ties up the Border Patrol. You guys need to appreciate your Border Patrol. Write them a letter, send them a thank you note, because they're the only ones down here other than groups like us. And I'm going to tell you guys, you're going to be hearing about us in the media. The left is getting ready to pounce, and they're calling us a dangerous militia group. That's their narrative, that we're racist, that we're out to kill illegal immigrants. But that's one of the reasons I document everything that we're doing, so that you guys can see the truth and that it's not edited. It is what it is. You can look at it and make your own decision of what you think is going on here. But hey, Jim Karofsky, how you doing, bud? Dorothy. We are. This is it. I mean, I think this puts us over 101 people in less than 2 hours. It's not even dark yet.